I'm going to call it x. SO is the one we're supposed to find. I'm going to call it x. Which, so this is the angle that I know the degree for. So this is opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. Which one is it? It's opposite, right? This one's opposite. And this is the hypotenuse. Okay, we're going to use so, ka, or toa. So we're using sine is the opposite over hypotenuse. Sine is the opposite over hypotenuse. How I know it's opposite is it's the one that's not attached. There's only three sides, right? So there's the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse and the adjacent are always the two that make the angle. And I know the hypotenuse because it's the one that's opposite the right angle. So this side right here is opposite the right angle. This other side, this is the adjacent side because it's touching it, right? This one is not touching angle P because they gave us a degree. That's how we know we're starting from P because we have this degree. We could subtract from 90 and find this one, but they already gave us this. Why would we go to extra work? So I'm going to say that the sine of 42 degrees is equal to x over 12, right? Because it's opposite over hypotenuse. Did that answer the question on why I'm using 42 and why? No. Okay. Let me walk this through again. Because they gave me this degree, I look at the stuff I'm given. One of them is opposite, and one of them is hypotenuse. So it's so, not ka or toa, because I've got opposite and hypotenuse. So that's why I'm using sine. The sine of 42 degrees is x over 12. So that means that, notice I can multiply both sides by 12, right? And that gets rid of the 12. So x, the thing I'm trying to find, is 12 times the sine of 42 degrees, which you can do in your calculator, right? Calculator, what's the sine of 42? Give it to me in 4 decimals. $46691, so it would go to 4669. I'm sorry, 6691, thank you. 6691 times 12. When you multiply those and round to the nearest tenth, you should get 8.0. This is to the nearest tenth. Yes. So, this so. Pass that. That's Zoe. Oh, I'm sorry, Anna. Sorry, Zoe. I spaced. We're done? Questions? Yes. Here's how I knew how to use the sine. I stand here at the angle that I know, and I figure out whether the stuff that I'm given is opposite or adjacent or hypotenuse. So I know this is hypotenuse because it's opposite the right angle. I know this is opposite because it's the farthest away that it can be on the triangle. This one's adjacent, right? See how it's touching angle P? It makes part of angle P. So if it's not adjacent and it's not hypotenuse, it must be opposite. So I had opposite and hypotenuse, opposite hypotenuse. So it's the so of SOHCAHTOA. Opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite. So my original equation, sine 42, opposite over hypotenuse.